In this video I'm going to share another tip which will significantly improve your Greek translation and teach you how you can learn Greek words faster. My last two videos, which you see right here, created a lot of positive feedback, and so viewers like you asked me to create more videos like those. So here we are. In this video we're going to talk about another Greek suffix. This time it is the suffix then, which appears in so many Greek words. So if you learn this suffix and understand what it does to the Greek words, you can translate faster and learn more new words. So let's begin. Today I would like to discuss the suffix then. The best English equivalent of this suffix would be the word from, but please understand that this suffix does not appear in the New Testament or in the Bible as a separate word which means from. It is just a suffix which is attached to another word which could be translated from wherever this first part mean. A good word to illustrate it is the word pothen, which is a combination of the word pou, which means where, and the suffix then, which means from. So literally, pothen means from where. Below is an example from the Gospel of John, chapter 8. Let's read. Oida pothen eltan kai pou hypago, humeis de uk oidate pothen erchamai e pou hypago. So I know from where I came and where I go. By the way, this is a good example of this word as well. So we just give it the face value from where. So I know from where I came and where I go, but you don't know again from where I come or where I go. Here is the list of all the words in the New Testament which have the suffix then. So we have seen the word pothen already, which means from where. Ekathen, we can easily recognize the word eke, which means there, so ekathen, from there. Kakathen is a similar word, so they go in pair. We just have an extra prefix here, kai, and from there. Esoten and exoten, these two words are also come in pair. They come from the prefix eis, into, and from the prefix ek, from or out of. So esoten means from within, inside, and exoten is the opposite of it. It means from outside or just outside, depending on the context. Opisten, from opiso, behind, so from behind. Anaten, we can recognize the preposition ana, which means up, it means above. So from above. Hoten, here we have the relative pronoun hos, which means which. So hoten means from which. At the same time, for some reason, from where is the better translation when it comes to English. For some reason, from which does not always sound right in English, so use from where for this word. Makrothen means from afar, makros means long, makran means far, so from afar. Porothen is a similar word. They are actually synonymous. It also means from afar or at a distance. Alachothen, we can recognize the word allos here, an adjective allos, which means other, another. The word is from elsewhere. Pantothen, the word pasapan, the adjective again, which means everything, everywhere. So pantothen is from everywhere, from all sides. Paidiothen, we can recognize the word paidion, a child, so from childhood. Uranothen, it is a no-brainer. We can see the word uranos right here, so from heaven, beautiful word, from heaven. Kuklothen, from the verb kuklo, to surround, so from surrounding and from all sides, from all around. And these two words are somewhat similar, yet a little bit different. anthen and entheothen. So anthen means from there, from that point, and theothen means from here, on this side or on that side. So if this word appears twice in the sentence, most likely you will translate it like this. Literally it could be from here and from there, like on this side, on the other side. And the last word is not actually an adverb, like all of these words are adverbs. The word emproston is an improper preposition. It appears 48 times in the New Testament, so really good to learn it. And it means before or in front of. Now let's translate 5 Bible verses which use some of these words. The first example comes from the Gospel of John, chapter 3, the dialogue between Jesus and Nicodemus. Let's read. Me thaumases hoti eipon soi dei humas genethenai anothen. So do not marvel that I said to you, it is necessary for you to be born. This is the passive infinitive, to be born anothen, and this is our word. We see the preposition ana, which means up, which means above. So anothen means from above. It is necessary for you to be born from above. Gospel of John, chapter 4. Let's read. Meta de tas duo hemeras exelthen ekeithen eisten Galilean. But after 2 days, this is number 2, after 2 days, exelthen, he came out, or he went out, ekeithen, from there. Eke means there, so ekeithen, from there, so he went out from there, eisten Galilean, into the Galilee. The dialogue between Jesus and Pilate from Gospel of John chapter 18. Nun de he basileia he eme uk estin entheothen. But now the kingdom, he eme, my kingdom is not entheothen, and it means from here. So Jesus says to Pilate, but now my kingdom is not from here. A good example from the book of Revelation, chapter 5. And I saw on the right hand, or on the right side, of the one who sits on the throne, biblion gegramenon esoten kai opisten. So I saw biblion, which means a book. So I saw a book, gegramenon, written, esoten kai opisten. Esoten means from within, from inside, and opisten is the opposite in this context. It means from behind. So it's written on the inside, on the inner side of the scroll of this book, and on the outer side. So it's written on the back, on the back side. So we could literally translate a book written from the inside and from behind, or we could simplify it, the book written on the inside and at the back. And our final example is from the Gospel of Matthew, the story of Peter following Jesus after he was arrested at the Garden of Gethsemane. So let's read. Hode Petros ekoluthei autoch apo makroten. But Peter was following him means Jesus, apo makroten, a prepositional phrase. Apo means from, and here we have a strengthening of this separation from afar. So Matthew puts the double emphasis that he followed him at the distance. So, but Peter was following him from afar. Hey Greek for all family! I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Remember, we are not just learning Greek grammar, we are getting closer to God. And so if you enjoyed this video, please like it and comment below. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends so his or her life could also be impacted. And now I wish you all the best. Learn Greek, love God. I'll see you in the next video.